Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. And guys, I'm doing this knotless braids in my hair the easiest way I can do it, and I want to share it with you guys. All right, so I straighten my hair a little bit with my heat comb there, or my hot comb, and I'm using this shine and jam. It makes my hair somewhat a little bit better to hold and make it a little bit neater, not too much, but a little bit. And I have my tail comb, and I'm using this pre-stretch easy braid from AliExpress. I will leave the link in the description box below. In between the next here, part right away.
Yep.
Alright. And now you want to grab some of the pre-stretch here. Grab some jam. Separate the hair in 3. You want to separate it in 3 also. Grab the middle one. Grab the first. And then you grab the third. Now you're gonna come over with the left, over with the right or inward. My son is not here to hold the phone for me anymore, so basically I made a part. You want to go ahead and add some jam. And you want to separate it in 3. And now I have my braid. And I'm going to separate it in 3. Now you want to go under. You can feed some in by holding this. Put it close to here and you go under. With the knotless braid, you wanna go under. With the regular braid, you go over. When it reach about here, what I'm gonna do for now, I'm just gonna add a little piece, and then I'm gonna give it a knot. And at this time you can feed some in if you prefer. So go like that, twist it around. Oops. And then you're good to go. And you can add more braids as you go along. So that's it, guys. And I'll come back after. Hold it in 3. Grab the middle one. You can put it under or over, it doesn't matter. But you want to hold it basically. under. And there you have it. And you can plait the ends out, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put them in some hot water. I'm going to do some water wave on them, or loose wave. You want to do, you want to put it on and bend it first, and then you want to grab the hair tight and you want to roll it on, not letting go of the hair. Just flex your hand and you want to continue. So basically you're turning your hand. And then you want to bend it back. Just like that. And I have hot boiling water here, all right? Be careful, and you want to dip as much as possible in the hot water. They're like this, and you want to separate them. Be careful with the ends. This is the final result. I put a little makeup on. Yes, and I catch it in the back because it was wet, so I'm gonna let it loose, but I'm gonna show you how it looks first. So that's how it's looking. And this is my knotless braid. Look at it, guys. Can you see it? I'm going to show you the back. And that's the curls. So beautiful. It feels full and nice. Yes, guys, I can put everything in the back like this. And catch it in the back like that. My knotless braid with my water wave, my curls. Curls. Oh my goodness. You can wear it however, to the side. It's easy to move. I love it. This one is even better. I'm slaying to the gods. I love it. Because it's knotless and you won't see the knot. It can always flip either way. Flexible. Guys, there you go. So this is another look, guys. But I love the final result. Love it. Love the curls. I'm so happy I decided to put the curls in it. It gives me volume. And it's not heavy. Super light. Only 2 packs up here. Love upon me, and I love upon you. Bye, guys.